will be able to tell you that why I love you so much. I don't know this feeling is kind of such that I yearn for your company each night and day. When you come in front, I forget what I have to say. Is loving someone so sweet and pure, it's the warmest of all the expressions, loving allure. Your sweet words make me smile. Your company for a while makes me feel that I am so lucky one. Being with you, it's such a pleasure and fun. Please stay as you are. Please don't go too far, cause I love you. When I hold your hand, I feel something. When I see in your eyes, I feel something. When I talk to you, I feel something. I think that feeling is called love. Yes, I love you. Will you be mine? You show me the true meaning of love. You loved me as no one could do. You stood by me when the time was tough. Don't need your words, as gestures are enough. And I want to confess my love for you today. It is not like any other day. Today is special because I want to say I love you. Baby, I truly do. I think I love you is not enough for me to say, cause you have become my destiny and way. With you, I feel I am so blessed. I know I never ever confessed, but I want to do it today my way. I want you to know what I wish to say. I love you a lot, my sweetheart. It's a promise from my side that no one can ever make us apart. Love was just another word till the time you came in my life. Your caring touch, your loving smile filled the void and loved me so much. When my soul, my heart became yours, when my world was steeped in sorrow, your twinkling eyes brightened it up all. My days were lonely, my eyes were wet, all cheered up with a blink the day we met. Why the world is turning pink? Why is the sky showering roses? Hold me tight, let me not sink. It is a conspiracy of love to bring us together, to bring us close. Whatever be the reason, I do not wish to know, unaffected by any season. The heart is in the flow of love, of happiness, filled with sweetness, overpowering the soul. Your caring touch, your loving smile, when filled the void and loved me so much, was when my soul, my heart became yours.